Floor cleaning with the no-touch cleaning machine involves 3 simple steps: applying cleaning solution, manually brushing the floor if needed, and then vacuuming the floor. To begin the cleaning process, turn the chemical valve to the on position and turn on the pump. Unwrap enough pressure hose to reach the far end of the restroom and lay it out on the restroom floor. To activate the chemical flow, pull out the gun spray nozzle for low pressure and rotate it to the right for a pinpoint spray. It'll take about 10 or 15 seconds for the chemical to make its way through the hose to the gun. So spray into a toilet or drain until the chemical is seen, and then rotate the nozzle slowly to the left for a fan spray. At the furthest point from the no-touch cleaning machine, begin applying diluted cleaning chemical to the floor with a wide fan spray. When you come to a fixture, apply solution to the fixture according to the procedures outlined, and continue applying chemicals to the floor until you reach the next fixture. It's best to keep the spray gun trigger fully depressed and to move in a flowing motion when injecting chemicals. When the trigger is released, pressure builds up in the pressure hose, which can cause cleaning chemicals to become aerosolized when the trigger is pulled again. Continue to apply chemicals towards the restroom door. When you're close to the entrance, return to your Kaivac and turn the chemical selector valve to the off position to stop the flow of chemicals. Then rinse the chemicals out of the line and onto the floor to make good use of the remaining chemical. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds to clear the line. Always purge the chemicals in low pressure mode to avoid aerosolizing the chemicals. Return to the machine and turn the pump switch off. Point the gun down and squeeze the trigger to relieve any water pressure still in the line. Lock the safety and set the gun aside. Manually brushing the floor is an optional step that can be performed as needed or as part of a scheduled maintenance program. If the floor is especially soiled in high traffic areas or around fixtures, scrub the floor with a deck brush, paying particular attention to the grout line. After all of the fixtures in the restroom have been pressure rinsed and the spray line has been looped, you're ready to vacuum the floor. To begin, turn on the vac motor and vacuum the area closest to the machine to provide a dry, clean area to lay your vac hose. Remove the entire vac hose from the machine and lay it on the dry floor. Begin extracting the water from the floor, working your way from the machine to the back of the restroom. For best results, run the vac head at a 45-degree angle to the grout lines. Ensure that the vac head is not tipped too far forward or backward to maintain suction. When vacuuming along a wall, it's best to run the vac head parallel to the wall, allowing water to be drawn through the edge of the vac head. Running the head directly into the wall leaves thin puddles along the wall. When you encounter tight spaces, like underneath toilets, the design of the vac wand allows you to maneuver effectively. For really tight spaces, the instant drain gulper tool can be used in place of the vac head.